In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat on Microsoft Teams with external users. Collaborating and communicating in today's interconnected world is crucial, especially when it involves reaching out beyond your organization's walls. Microsoft Teams makes this not only possible, but also quite straightforward. Whether you're working with clients, contractors, or partners outside your organization, chatting with external users in Microsoft Teams can be set up with minimal hassle. And I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. First things first, navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. This is your gateway to initiating conversations with external users. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in. Make sure to use your Microsoft Teams account credentials to access the platform. Signing in is the first step in ensuring secure and easy communication with users outside your organization. After successfully signing in, your next move is to head over to the chat section. This is where all your conversations happen, neatly organized and easy to navigate. The chat section is designed to make your communication as effortless and organized as possible. Now, this is where the magic happens. To start chatting with an external user, you just need to type in their email address. It's a simple step, yet it's the bridge that connects you to people outside your organization. Whether it's a one-off question or a prolonged discussion, entering the email address of the person you want to communicate with is your key to start the conversation. Once you've typed in the email address, click on it. This action brings you one step closer to initiating your chat. It's almost like knocking on someone's door, waiting for them to open it for a conversation. By clicking on the email address, you're signifying your intent to communicate, making it easier for the external user to recognize and engage in the conversation. And finally, you're all set to start chatting. This final step is where collaboration and communication take flight. Whether it's sharing files, brainstorming ideas, or simply catching up, chatting on Microsoft Teams with external users is now at your fingertips. Conversing with people outside your organization is not only essential, but with Microsoft Teams, it's also secure and efficient. Throughout this process, it's vital to remember that successful communication hinges on clarity and responsiveness. Whether you're initiating or responding to a chat, keeping your messages clear and purposeful goes a long way in fostering productive external collaborations. In conclusion, chatting with external users on Microsoft Teams is a streamlined process designed to enhance your communication needs. By following these simple steps, you're not only opening doors to enhanced collaboration, but also embracing the vast possibilities of global connectivity. Happy chatting!